Showings are up 23.7% and resulting in 18% more new contracts year over year, but it is taking longer to get there this year than it did last year. It's Friday, April 17th, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Inventory for sale rose 4% this report to 2,220 units and at a median $419,900 list price, which is 1.2% higher this week than last week. 4% fewer homes will be coming to the market this report and at a median $447,900 median list price. 222 homes went under contract, which was a 19% increase over a last report and within 20 days to contract at a slightly higher list price of $381,000. 135 homes sold in 34 days at 96.6%, and that was at a median $364,000, which was a rise of 2.5% for the sold price. Rentals fell again this week to 148 units with a monthly median rental price of $2,173 per month. These have been on the market for 43 days. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, April 17th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.